You know, now you can make money online without a hassle. With the help of ChatGPT, you can sit at the comfort of your home. In a day, you make something like 3 videos, you make blogs, you make posts, you even get a lot of things as far as your website is concerned, as far as your channel on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok is concerned. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining for you, I'm going to be giving you a testimony. I'm a witness, by the way, of how ChatGPT has helped me to earn money. But it's not about me. It's about you also to know that just in a day, you should not fail to post more than 2 videos. Why? We are all aiming at making money with our smartphones at the comfort of our homes. Do you know what ChatGPT is? If you don't know what ChatGPT is, I want you to go to our previous videos. You go there and look for how to make money with ChatGPT. Inside it, there is a description of what ChatGPT is. But for a short while, for new subscribers, ChatGPT, it is a tool. It is an AI tool that works as a personal assistant that is very intelligent, is aware, it knows everything. It is like an assistant that lifts for you all the heavy burdens of being a content creator or a social media entrepreneur or anything that you call it, and you just sit down and enjoy the amount of money. ChatGPT is an AI tool that will not sleep when you're sleeping, so it can work for you at any time. You might be then asking, where can I find ChatGPT? ChatGPT, you can find it on your smartphone. What you need to know, you need to go to your browser, go to the Google, and even type ChatGPT or download ChatGPT. You can use a free version, but if you want to make it big, you can go to the extent of getting a premium version like what I do. Now, what are the advantages, or what has ChatGPT done for me? Before I tell you what ChatGPT can do for you,
disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes. We give you 10% of the knowledge, the 90% you should go and research. If you want to take it, you take it. So get to know, treat this video as educational video. We are not financial buoyant, no, we are not financial experts or experts.
First, welcome every individual, especially our new subscribers. I love you so much, you guys. Thanks for being here. What we do here, we only talk about how to make sure we make money, to make money with our smartphone, irrespective of whether it is Android or it is iPhone. And special thanks to our top engagers. You know, these people who always come to our videos, you are the first people to be there. You guys, thank you very much. And this video is for you, whoever has just come to this channel for the first time. Now, the video is not going to be for long. I want to show you how ChatGPT has helped me for more than 2 years. You guys, how would you imagine I would come from work, I do a 9 to 12 hour job, I come, I have to transcript, I have to write blogs, all that. How would I do it? It has been all the work of ChatGPT. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. I do just the polishing. It does for me everything. So what does it do as in terms of content creation for me? ChatGPT gives me ideas. How do you get ideas? There are people you can reach, especially new content creators. You feel you're off of the ideas, you're off of, you no longer think anything as far as what to post next is concerned. Is it on Facebook? Is it on TikTok? Anywhere on YouTube. So what I do, I always go and tell ChatGPT, can you kindly give me like 10 ideas about my topic, and they should be related and trending. ChatGPT will give me the 10 ideas, and when it gives me the 10 ideas, I task it again to write for me the transcripts. When it writes for me the transcripts, I go through, I master, I remove, I add, I start making video like the way you're seeing me doing it. Like this video, I already asked ChatGPT. I'm not reading anywhere, but from what it gave me, it has given me a basis to do. That is one. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT has helped in making metadata. It is metadata is supposed to be done before even shooting of the video. As you're watching, I'm shooting. If whenever I'm shooting, it means ChatGPT has already done for me my metadata. Irrespective of giving me the metadata, what is metadata? Metadata is very important because it helps the algorithm to know whom to send for you, whom to send, where to recommend your videos. And it also can optimize, because if the videos are not optimized, the metadata is not optimized, you find your videos are limited. So we have title, we have thumbnail, we have description, we have tags. All these ones are in the classes of metadata. So ChatGPT does for me. Then what ChatGPT also does for me, you guys, it optimizes for me these things. To know that it can give me key searchable words. Whenever I'm stuck, without forgetting, let me give you this one and we finish this video because I want it to be short and precise, such that you can ask me another question and I bring for you in details. ChatGPT has helped me on my channels of Facebook to write blogs, to write posts, and even to make photos. All this is money making, because it knows if I give you this, it will bring you money because it is optimized. So whenever you might be thinking, I cannot get an idea, I cannot do this, it is hard for me, I'm very busy. If you know you're very busy, there is an assistant who will not sleep. Is ChatGPT. Do you hold a smartphone? Just go and look for what ChatGPT is. You will thank me later. Thank you very much. You can earn as much as you can, provided you make ChatGPT your best friend.